Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Range Rover Sport. Any screen you'll see here, it's kind of an arrow in a circle. We click on that. You've got destination entry. Sometimes if you get in it first, it'll ask you to click that you're not going to be distracted. But you've got address and postcode. Postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR, and it's defaulted to numbers, which not all of them do. It's a really good system. PR54J, and we want an S there. Click OK, and then go. It's as easy as that. Great system, easy system to use. Thanks for watching.